Sleep is a fascinating and essential part of our lives. Biologically, sleep is a state where our body and mind undergo crucial processes. When we sleep, our brain cycles through different stages, allowing it to repair itself, consolidate memories, and regulate hormones. Think of sleep as a nightly reset button for our bodies, helping us wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Historically, sleep has evolved alongside humans. In ancient times, our ancestors slept in sync with the natural light cycle, often taking short naps during the day and sleeping longer at night. This adaptation helped them stay safe from predators and made the most of daylight hours for hunting and gathering. Over time, our sleep patterns have shifted, influenced by societal changes and technology. But the fundamental need for sleep remains unchanged. The benefits of sleep are immense. For our brains, sleep enhances learning and memory retention. It's like hitting the save button on your computer after a long day of work. For our bodies, sleep supports physical health, helping with growth, repair, and immune function. Emotionally, a good night's sleep can improve mood and resilience, making us better equipped to handle stress. Imagine trying to solve a puzzle when you're tired. It's frustrating and nearly impossible. Sleep helps us piece everything together. Now, let's talk about the sleep cycle. Sleep is divided into two main types, NREM and REM. NREM, or non-rapid eye movement sleep, includes three stages, each deeper than the last. It's during this time that our body does most of its repair work. REM, or rapid eye movement sleep, is when we dream and our brains are highly active. This cycle repeats several times throughout the night, with each complete cycle lasting about 90 minutes. Different age groups require varying amounts of sleep. Newborns need around 14 to 17 hours, while teenagers require about 8 to 10 hours. Adults typically need 7 to 9 hours, and older adults may need slightly less. It's like charging your phone. The younger the device, the more power it needs to function optimally. Sleep deprivation can have serious effects. Lack of sleep can lead to cognitive impairments, mood swings, and even physical health issues like obesity and heart disease. It's like trying to drive a car on empty. Eventually, it just won't work. To improve sleep hygiene, consider establishing a bedtime routine. This could include winding down with a book, keeping your bedroom dark and cool, and avoiding screens before bed. Think of it as creating a cozy nest that signals to your body it's time to rest. Common sleep disorders include insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless leg syndrome. Insomnia makes it hard to fall or stay asleep, while sleep apnea causes breathing interruptions during sleep. Restless leg syndrome creates an uncomfortable urge to move your legs, making it difficult to relax. Understanding these disorders can help us seek the right solutions. Finally, let's debunk some myths about sleep. One common myth is that everyone needs 8 hours of sleep. While that's a good guideline, individual needs vary. Another myth is that you can catch up on sleep during the weekends. Unfortunately, this doesn't fully compensate for the sleep lost during the week. Sleep is vital for our overall well-being, and understanding its science can help us appreciate its importance even more.